fish. Here comes in. Here comes another stuff. Another dude.
Dedicated to Deanie.
Look how beautiful the colors are on this fish. I'm just gonna dip them in the bucket. Here it goes to you, Dean. Another one. I don't know where the fish were. When
Ew, what did it just get all over your leg?
Sperm.
Are you right?
I swear to God.
Oh my lord. That's sick. You know the title of this video is going to be Dale and Trout blow their load. That's sick. Okay, I'm going to stop videoing now.